Hey guys, so the other day me and Mike were like, oh, we really want Chinese, but at the moment, cost of living and everything, so we did a takeaway. And this is how we did our chicken balls. You're going to take one chicken breast, and you're going to split that into 8. And then we're going to add in some salt and pepper in a bowl with the chicken, followed by a tablespoon of self-raising flour. We just want to coat the chicken. And then we're going to set that aside, and we're going to heat some oil. You want this on a medium to high heat. While that's heating up, we're going to make our batter. Now, you're going to need 100 grams of self-raising flour, followed by 100 ml of water, a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of oil. I didn't film the oil going in, but it's definitely in there. You want to give it a good old stir and then leave for a couple of minutes just so it sets. It goes like sort of runny, as you can see. And I'm going to add in our chicken. Make sure that is fully coated. And then we're going to put that into our oil. It'll cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. They'll float once they're ready. And voila, chicken balls. And I've served with sweet and sour rice, the usual. Enjoy!